check it out. Don't tell my spouse what we just did. I hear that all the time from new traders on losing days. But if you want to trade while hiding results from your spouse, you're headed for disaster. New traders love to talk about the up days. They celebrate the wins, they dance in the streets, and they shout, look at me, look at me. But when they have a down day, they go quiet, or even worse, they start to lie. They don't want the conversation. They don't want the disappointment. They don't want to explain the loss, so they say nothing. Eventually, the spouse finds out. Now the problem isn't the loss. The problem is the secrecy. The problem is the lies. That secrecy creates shame. It creates fear, and it makes your partners not trust you at all. And it causes traders to make emotional decisions trying to fix it today. If you're going to trade, you have to own your wins and own your losses. Your spouse doesn't need perfection. They need honesty. The same with your parents and your kids and your grandparents. All they want is the truth. When losses are hidden, trading stops being about math and starts being about fear. It stops being fun. This is supposed to be fun. When everything is out in the open, losses don't feel like failure. They feel like part of the plan. They're expected. Now, Maria and I don't keep score day to day. Maria and I don't assign blame. Maria and I don't keep score at all. We trade as a team. Some days she's up and I'm down. Other days I'm up and she's down. But we trade as a team. We always have and we always will. We laugh about our down days. We learn from our down days. And we own and we share it. Down days and up days, Maria and I are a team. If you can adopt that philosophy, trading will become fun for you. Some days are good, some days aren't. But because nothing is hidden, there's no pressure to make it back. That honesty protects your account just as much as any stop loss ever will. And this is really important. That honesty will protect your relationship with your partner. And that honesty will free you from the perceived shame of loss. Once you're free of that feeling, you will love trading because you will expect losing days, and you know that's just part of the process. We're not here to win one time. We are here to win a long time. Now, no one else does this on the internet, but Maria and I on Sunday nights at 6 p.m. will give you our trades for the week, or most of them at least. We do the $30,000 account challenge. We'll give you all the trades, 6 trades a day for the entire week if you want to follow along. We do a $1 million account, real live money, $1 million account. We do about 150 trades a day in that particular account. We'll give you 20 or 30 that we're going to put on every week. Not only are there Sunday at 6, but 3:30 every single day. You can come on to our channel, see us trading live. We're making tons of trades. We'll answer any question you have. We're extremely transparent. We'll show you our wins. We'll show you our losses. We'll talk about our thinking and what we're doing. We just want to make traders better. It's all free. So if this information has been of any value to you, we'd sure appreciate you if you would subscribe. But most importantly, I want you to have a great trading day. And let's have some fun.